Okay, so now I'm off to Caliber Auto Body down the street here in Auburn, Washington. I'm just currently here in a random parking lot to make this video for you guys. Here's a good shot of what the current color is, which is the standard factory. It's called Titan Gray from Thule. Just the lid up will be painted. These little grommets do come right off. So when the box gets painted, I don't have to worry about any chipping here because these little covers go right back on. This is a beautiful Thule Motion 3 XL. It's just one step up from the Motion 3L. Kind of see the sharp angles here. I was going to get it wrapped glossy white, but I changed my mind. Now I got a van that's literally pulling up right next to me, so hopefully it doesn't come up to me. I'm getting my door handle painted because there's some scratches on it, so that's the reason why the door handle is missing. But the box will be custom matched to the car, and I'm headed there right now. Okay, I'm here at Caliber Collision in Auburn, Washington. So I'm really excited to see the outcome of having the lid nice and glossy white. And they're going to start on it this weekend. So hopefully we'll have a beautiful shiny box when we're all ready to go. Got rid of the Thule emblem because the idiot that installed it at the factory put it on really crooked. So I got creative and did something different. The car is being shipped to Austria, just in case you're wondering why there's a decal on there for Innsbruck, Austria. Very happy with the body shop.